Monkey's Stuff, written by Rebecca Bywaski. There was a cow. She had one bell. She always wore it, but then one day, well, a little monkey, brown and cheeky, stole that bell 'cause he was sneaky. There was a dog. He had two bones. Sometimes one buried what one owned. So he dug a hole in the ground and buried his bones, that digging hound. But that same little monkey came back around. There was a bird with 3 eggs she laid. Nearby the nest she always stayed. But that rascal monkey snuck up one day and snatched those eggs and ran away. There was a pony with 4 horseshoes. They were items that she could not lose. Nevertheless, one summer evening, the monkey stole them and danced while leaving. There was a baker. He baked 5 buns, those light and tasty and crispy ones. The monkey appeared and took those the lots, then ran off juggling them. They were hot. There was an ant with her 6 slippers she wore. They kept her feet cozy on the cold dirt floor. The monkey took them and didn't think. He didn't accept that they would sneak. There was a princess. She wore 7 pears to make her look better than the other girls. Then that monkey thief was lurking and some naughtiness has been planned. A crocodile, he loved to smile. He had 8 teeth, but one night while he was in the bed, the monkey crept, his fingers stealing as the reptile slept. 9 apples grew upon a tree, red, crispy, and so juicy. But someone came swinging through and grabbed those apples. Can you guess who? 10 hairs were in the lion's mane. He combed them often. She was vain. That pesky monkey was looking on one single sneak, and those hairs were gone. There was a monkey. He had lots of stuffs, but he never seemed to have enough. He had cowbells, bones, eggs, horseshoes, buns, slippers, pears, teeth, apples, and hairs. Everyone had lost something of theirs. But the monkey felt a bit bad inside. Because of him, the cow had cried. In the end, the things were written. Mom said no stealing and the lesson was learned. The end. So in this lesson we have learned that we should not steal or steal anyone's thing, or if you want that thing, you can take the permission and take that thing. After your work is done, you can return the thing to his owner. Guys, thank you for watching my video. Please like my video. For more videos, subscribe my channel and don't forget to share this video. Thank you.